Hello students and welcome again our word our daily word chats. And this word chat we are going to perform our speaking ability. For do that we are going to practice very well the song. And for do that we have these words. But first we need to search for the meaning of the words, and then we need to write sentences related to this word. Um, if you can record and then send the exercise to me in order to verify your pronunciation, is a good way to do that on for to evaluate your understanding of the subject. At this moment, I'm going to pass to the word chat, but with answers, and then we can to practice the activity. First is to recognize the sound. For do that, you need to put your tongue in the lower part of your mouth and open a little your jaws and pronounce the sound. It's not like an O in Spanish, but is also a relaxed one. Well, let's go to do our activity. Uh, Always is all the time, perpetually, and the sentence that I write was I have always lived with you. The next word, call, to utter a cry. The call was that the crows make frighten the little girl. Oh, out, to express some duty or moral obligation. You ought to drive more carefully. Also, in addition, I like to read adventure book, but I also like to read historical novels. Awful, extremely bad. It was an awful accident last night in the roadway. Raw, uncooked. I like to eat raw vegetables. Fall, to drop or come down. The apple fall from the tree. Naughty, disobedient, indecorous. The little boy has an active behavior when his mother takes apart his toys. Broad, large, open, clear. She lives in a broad house in the countryside. Well, this is the worksheet. If you want to clarify a little bit more the pronunciation of the O sound, you can listen carefully this tutorial in YouTube. Well, this is my presentation. I expect that you enjoyed this presentation, and I expected that you let your comments in the link below. Well, have a nice day and be happy always. Bye bye.